Since its founding, Valdez has been a port city on Prince William Sound. Ocean travel throughout our history has run from uneventful to delightful to frightening. Did you know that containers, or connexes, have been the topic of discussions recently in Valdez? Did you know that they have played a pivotal role in the history of shipping worldwide, and specifically in Alaska? For centuries, goods were transported in irregularly shaped loads of boxes, barrels, and bales. Stevedores and freightmen had to wrestle with awkward loads as they moved them between ships, trains, and trucks. These loads ended up sitting around warehouses for days while they were being loaded onto the next vehicle, making them susceptible to theft and damage. It was also very labor-intensive. In Alaska, after World War II, shipping costs skyrocketed for many reasons. Labor wages were high, distances between ports were long, and ships were near empty going south. Shippers realized they needed to do something about the costs in order to maintain business in Alaska. In 1949, the Alaska Steamship Company opened a research department to look into reducing shipping costs to Alaska. In 1951, they launched a container experiment. In partnership with a trucking company, they shipped containers to Valdez, transferred them to trailers, and trucked them over to the Richardson Highway. The first containers were simple 4x4 wooden pallets with wood slat sides and plywood tops. This experiment eventually failed, in part because of the difficulty of moving containers from the steamship to the trucks. Alaska Freight Lines picked up the route and the used containers and began